Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to the Runner 13.3 kickoff video. Darren Eastman, product manager for GitLab Runner, and here again with me is Juan Ramirez, our UX engineer and designer for GitLab Runner. Today we'll cover a couple of things that are happening on the UX side, and I'll go over a couple of the items that's happening on the core Runner side as well that we're hoping to ship in 13.3. So with that said, Juan, I'm going to hand it over to you and kind of do, if you don't mind, do a quick overview of what's coming and what you're working on for Runner UX.
Absolutely. So let me share my screen. All right. So for 13.3, we have we continue doing more work on the design side in trying to improve what we already have in terms of the runner experience inside the GitLab UI. We have some incoming MRs that are going to get merged soon, and we're going to build on top of those MRs to keep evolving and improving our settings. So one of those is updating the runner settings layout. There's some foundational work that we want to do on the design side for that, making sure that we can modernize that, since this is already an outdated design that doesn't work that well. So 13.3, we're going to be producing designs for that. We also have the goal to start addressing some things from those MRs that are coming. One of those things is that since we're now introducing the group level management for the runners, we also want to start allowing our customers to browse jobs at the group level. So we need some designs on that particular area just to accommodate some performance limitations and constraints that we have there. So basically working on that as well. And finally, not seen in the screen, but we're also working on this milestone on facilitating a discussion on the next things that we're going to be working on the runner UX and how we're going to keep improving the overall customer experience when it comes to using runners. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Back to you, Darren.
Hey, thanks so much, Juan. So let me cover really fast what's happening. Let me share my screen off, everyone. See if I can do it okay. Cover some of the key things we're going to try to get delivered here, including the truth for Runner Core. I just shared my screen out, and what you're seeing here is the Kanban board for Runner. We have a number of interesting things that we're working on right now that are actively in a review queue, which basically means we've got merge requests ready to go, and we're actively working on that code and trying to get that code shipped out to the core Runner code base. In terms of what is pretty close to getting over the finish line and shipping in 13.3, I'll just call your attention to a couple of key issues. The first one is issue number 4843, and this is really a foundational piece of code that we're shipping. It's in the Runner code base itself, and what this enables, it's the run after script code base. It's a prerequisite for this particular feature over in CI, continuous integration, which gives you the ability to ensure after script is called for cancel or timed up pipelines. So what's happening is that we're wrapping up the prerequisite code and getting that merged in finally in 13.3, and that will then be an enabler to allow that feature to ship. The other thing that's pretty close to getting over the finish line as well, that will ship in 13.3 for Runner, is this entry point script being added to the helper image for Docker files. When this particular fix is in, what this will do is actually resolve issues that folks were seeing, for example, with this particular issue here, 3371, where folks were unable to upload a cache to menu S3 server. So with that code fix that's coming in, we'll be addressing that issue. So in terms of what's shipping in 13, or likely shipping in 13.3, those are the two key things that's shipping. If you're interested in looking at some of the things that we're actively working on that may also ship in the core Runner code base in 13.3, again, our Runner Kanban board is here. It's publicly available. And those items that are currently in our workflow and review column are those items that we're actively reviewing the code and looking to ship in our 13.3 release milestone. With that, then, if you have any questions, as always, regards the strategy that's happening with GitLab Runner, if you have a specific question about an open issue or MR, feel free to tag me directly on the issue. I'm deastman@gitlab.com. I'm also can be reached at Darren Eastman at gitlab.com. Juan, anything else to wrap up before we go today?
No, I think that's a good wrap up. Thanks, Darren.
All right, everyone, cheers, and talk to you next time when we do the kickoff for 13.4. Have a great day. Bye-bye.